Hi everyone! I've recently watched Netflix's Squid Game, and today I'm going to show you how to make the business card that the recruiter handed out to the players. I've already made the templates from Illustrator and Photoshop, and it's free to download. The template link will be in the description box below. So, start off by printing out the templates. A home printer will work just fine. I use 120 GSM paper with just a little bit of thickness. You will need to print out two pieces, which is the front and the back. Alright, now cut out the white border from both templates. It will now look like this. I use an all-purpose glue to stick the front and back together. Line up the edges and it should align perfectly. I glue on the top half first and then glue on the bottom half, like this. Wait for it to dry completely. It will now look like this. Finally, cut out the business cards. You can either use a craft knife or scissors would work just fine. Your business cards from Squid Game is now completed. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Happy crafting! Bye!